Setting up payment gateways can get complicated fast. Different countries, different providers, and sometimes even extra fees. What if one plugin could handle all your payments and donations, supports 14 plus payment gateways, and even automate your entire workflow? That's exactly what Paymattic is built for. And in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through every payment gateway Paymattic supports and show you a live integration demo so you can see exactly how powerful this system is. Alright, let's start from the Paymattic dashboard. Head over to the payment gateways. Here you can see Paymattic comes with multiple payment gateways, allow you to collect payments and donations globally and manage transactions without any hassle. Like if you're on the free version of Paymattic and want to accept credit and debit cards worldwide, Stripe is the most popular choice. Paymattic also supports offline payments. Instead of processing payments instantly, users receive payment instructions and you can manually confirm each transaction. This works well for certain business models. For European customers, Mali is often a better regional fit. Paystick is designed for African businesses and supports local payment preferences, especially if your audience in Nigeria, Ghana, or nearby regions. Some gateways are available in the Pro version, so if you want to expand your business globally, upgrading gives you more option and flexibility. Now, if you think connecting all these payment gateways is complicated, think again. Let me show you how simple this is. Since Stripe is one of the most trusted payment gateways, let's open it. You'll see two modes here, test and live. It's always a good idea to start with test mode first so you can make sure everything works before going live. To enable test mode, you will need two things from your Stripe account, test publishable key and test secret key. You can easily get those in your Stripe account. Since I'm already logged into my Stripe dashboard, I'll just head over to the developers section and click on API keys. From here, let me just copy the test publishable key and test secret key. Then paste them into the corresponding fields in Paymattic. Once that's done, click Save Settings. And that's it. Stripe is now successfully connected. As simple as that. Now, there is also a webhook URL setup for Stripe to function completely. I'm not going to do this right now. Once saved, the gateway becomes active. Since every payment gateway connects a bit differently, I have added the official documentation link in the description. You'll find step-by-step instructions there to set everything up without any hassle. Now, let me quickly connect the remaining payment gateways for both donors and clients. And hey, if you are finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button so you don't miss what's coming next. Welcome back. And as you can see, I have already gone ahead and connected a few more gateways to keep things moving. Now let's head over to the All Forms section and look, here's the donation form, all set and ready to go. And the best part, every gateway we just connected will automatically show up right here via the Choose Payment Method field. No extra setup needed. So yeah, we're ready to start collecting donations right away. But before you go and start collecting donations, let's take a quick look at the integrations that can really boost more functionalities. To explore them, go to this page. Here you will see all the available integrations. You can sell access to exclusive spaces and courses. And once someone pays, they are automatically enrolled. All seamlessly handled through Fluent Community. Paymattic's connection with Fluent Support enables you to take payments from users in return for services. Get real-time notification in a Slack channel when a new submission is added, and more. You can enable or disable them based on your business needs. Paymattic even integrates with FluentCRM, which allow you to automatically add new contacts to your email list whenever a form is submitted. Okay, let me show you how easily you can connect one. If you are using FluentCRM, simply enable the module from the global settings. Now, let's see how it works. If someone comes through the donation form, you'll probably want to treat and nurture them differently from your typical customer, right? Okay, here's my donation form. Let's head over to the Integrations tab at the top. I'll select FluentCRM, and from here, you can easily sync user data between the two platforms. Just make sure you have created a CRM list first, so you can select it here. Then map the fields the way you want and save the feed. This will allow you to sync real-time data between platforms. Well, everything is set. The payment gateway is configured, and I have integrated FluentCRM to capture leads so I can nurture them in the future. It's time to show you how you can collect donations. Once someone fills in the details and hits donate, they are taken straight to checkout. A quick payment entry, one click on pay, and the donation goes through without a hitch. Back in Paymattic, everything is logged instantly. Amount, name, contact info, all captured clean. Now, here's where it gets powerful. Jump into FluentCRM and you will see all the data synced exactly as configured. No manual entry, no friction. From there, you can launch email campaigns, build automations, and keep your supporters engaged long after the first click, turning one-time givers into loyal, long-term advocates for your cause. And that's a quick overview of Paymattic's payment gateways and integrations. Remember, you are not just collecting payments, you are building a complete system to grow your business. If you have got any questions about Paymattic, leave them in the comments. I go through everyone and I will help you out. Get started free using the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.